It's me again. It's me again. What am I doing? I'm making a video. Making a video. Making a video. I gotta make a holder for all my screwdrivers, because I'm sick of going into the box to get them. But that's not what this video is about. I ordered, well actually I'll start off then. I'm making a burner for a smelter. This is the one end. One of the videos I'm going to be making is I'm going to be machining out the rings in here and in here. But I need to make a propane connection. And I'm making the simplest one I could find off eBay because I don't feel like making anything complicated. I ordered some propane tape because it's only like $1 something. So got that. Actually, here, I'll open it. Basically, it's Teflon tape for propane, like $1 or $2 on Amazon. I also ordered a 12-foot long regulator hose. Comes with this, which is pretty cool actually. Comes with a little tiny, actually it's kind of neat because everybody on YouTube is like, yeah, you make a forge, you gotta like screw in this thing and make a burner, and well, it looks like hit the burner jackpot right there. That might work. Just screw it in and boom. So yeah, that might work. Comes with a big plastic thing attached to it. You just rip off and throw away. It also comes with hours of fun. And here's the regulator. I ordered 12 feet of it because I'm like, you know what? It's better to get 12 feet than no feet. So it comes with the little gaugey thing there, so you can tell how many PSI it is. A little adjustable, screw in the tank, and the little end on there. So I'm guessing I should get one with a thread like that. And I should probably get an extension for this. So yeah, came in a plastic bag in a little box. That's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm gonna put it back in the box. And why am I making a burner and a forge? Because, well, why the hell not, right? Because I mean, you gotta have goals in life. And one goal in life is to just make stuff. But no, my father-in-law has a lot of, what do you call it? Aluminum and copper. We want to learn how to melt it. And why not, right? Everyone else is having fun doing shit like that. So, plus I figure maybe I can, maybe in the future do some casting, sand casting. It'd be fun. I've never cast anything, but it'd be nice to learn how. Learn a new skill in life. How the hell does this thing go? Oh, it's on the wrong way. So anyway, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. If anybody knows how to make a burner or has one, send me a link to some. If you're gonna send me a YouTube link, I don't know if I did or not, but I probably watched every damn video on YouTube how to make a burner. And I think the combination of a few, like there's some people have some awesome videos with really good suggestions. Like the one video where the guy said, if you can machine the threads out, because it tends to whatever. Another guy welded some contraption on where you can adjust the airflow. Another person, there's endless videos. But for the most part, I guess like one dude said, if you don't want to make a million mistakes, just like use their suggestion, because basically I don't want to make a burner 15 times. I just want to make one and get it over with. Anyway, like, subscribe, click the little thingies down here, check out little people down here, and look up there if you want, and look the sideways and look that way, and do what you gotta do. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Toodles.